CSP Battery Company introducing the SPSR series, the power-building generator battery chargers designed for standby generators, where batteries need to be constantly charged. This series comes in two models, the SR Series and the SRG Series. In this series, we offer sleek design that is available in different sizes and weight with three different models, SR Series and SRG Series. In SR Series, we offer 12-volt models ranging from 8 to 20 amperes, 24-volt models ranging from 8 to 20 amperes, 36-volt models with 6 and 10 amperes, 48-volt models also available in 6 and 10 amperes. Each model comes in three distinct shapes and sizes to fit various needs. Here are some of the key features of the SR Series. Dual meters for monitoring both voltage and current. No risk of overcharging during operation. High-quality coil for optimal performance and durability, capable of charging with as low as 2 volt of input, compatible with both water-filled and maintenance-free batteries. For the SRG Series model, we offer 12-volt models ranging from 8 to 20 amperes, 24-volt models ranging from 8 to 20 amperes, 36V models with 10 amperes, 48-volt model with 10 amperes. This series includes a voltage meter, providing simple and effective battery monitoring. SR and SRG Series battery chargers are the perfect solution for ensuring your generator's batteries are always charged and ready when you need. For more information, visit our website, contact us through email, WhatsApp, Line, or any other social media platforms.